Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview TOVEENEN color changing LED lights for in-ground pool. TOVEENEN 120-volt 40-watt color changing LED pool light with the remote controller is specifically designed to replace incandescent or halogen bulbs in Pentair Amerlite 784 series and Hayward Astrolite SB058 series swimming pool underwater light fixture. Simply unscrew your incandescent bulb and install the screw-in LED lamp with medium base E26. The color lamp has 16 different color modes, 7 fixed colors, 9 light show. Features: up to 2 times brighter than other pool light bulbs. Use a remote controller to directly select the color you want. Automatic thermal switch for added safety. Simple plug and play replacement. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.